Republic TV's editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami and two others have been granted bail by the Supreme Court today. The Supreme Court made strong observations on personal liberty, said that the apex court is there to protect citizens' liberty if constitutional courts do not interfere. We are travelling the path of self-destruction.
Republic TV's editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami and two others have been granted bail by the Supreme Court. He's been in jail for a week in a 2018 case of an alleged abetment to suicide of a businessman. The order came after strong arguments from top legal eagles appearing for both sides, with the court making strong statements on personal liberty. Justice Chandrachud said that states must exercise their jurisdiction to uphold personal liberty. States must realize that the apex court is there to protect citizens' liberty if targeted. He said, "If left to me, I do not watch the channel and you may differ in ideology, but if constitutional courts do not interfere today, we are travelling the path of destruction undeniably." Harish Salde, senior lawyer for Mr. Goswami, argued for abetment charges there needs to be proximity between the accused and victim. In this case, it is not proved. Anvay Naik's suicide note says that Arnab Goswami owed 83 lakhs, whereas more than 5 crores had been paid to his firm. If a person commits suicide in Maharashtra and blames the government, then will the chief minister be arrested? This is a smokescreen to teach someone manners, and Arnab is not a terrorist or facing murder charges. But the Maharashtra government opposed bail for Goswami, arguing the Supreme Court can wait till the trial court hears the bail plea. Mr. Sibal cited the case of the Kerala journalist who came for bail but was sent to the Allahabad High Court, and he is still languishing in jail. The probe done so far is not before the court, and if this court intervenes, it will set a dangerous precedent. To this, the court said, assuming the FIR is the gospel truth, and that's a matter of investigation, but is not paying up money abetment to suicide, it will be a travesty of justice if bail is not granted while the FIR is pending. Our democracy is resilient. Governments must ignore taunts on TV. This is not the basis on which elections are fought. You, Maharashtra, think what they say makes any difference to elections?
This is not the first time that the top court sat during a vacation. It had happened earlier also. Today, the Maharashtra government wanted the trial court to lay down bail conditions. But the Supreme Court rejected, saying that it may delay the release, and directed the accused to execute personal bonds with the jail authorities. In New Delhi, Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, NDTV.